Creating a cow farm in Minecraft is a great way to gather a consistent supply of food and leather. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make a basic cow farm. Materials you will need. Fenced enclosure. Build a fenced area to keep the cows contained. You can use any type of fence, such as wooden or stone. Grass blocks. Ensure there is grass within the enclosure, as cows need it to regrow their wool. Water source. Place a water source inside the enclosure. You can use a water bucket or create a small pond. Breeding items. You'll need wheat or any other suitable breeding item to lure and breed cows. Lighting. Ensure proper lighting to prevent hostile mobs from spawning inside the enclosure. Steps to create a cow farm. Create an enclosure. Build a fenced-in area that's large enough to accommodate the number of cows you want in your farm. You can make it as big or small as you like, but it should provide enough space for the cows to move around.
Add grass blocks. Inside the enclosure, place grass blocks. Cows eat grass to regrow their wool and become ready for breeding. Over time, the grass will be consumed, so you may want to add more grass blocks or create a grass path for them to roam and graze. Install water source. Add a water source inside the enclosure. Cows need water to stay alive and healthy. You can create a pond or simply place a water bucket. Lure and breed cows. Hold wheat or any other suitable breeding item in your hand to lure the cows towards you. Once they gather around you, right-click or left trigger, depending on your platform, to feed 2 cows. Hearts will appear above their heads, indicating they are ready to breed. They will then produce a baby cow after a short time. Automatic breeding, optional if you want a more automated process. You can create an automatic cow breeder using dispensers, water streams, and a redstone circuit. This will allow you to breed cows without manually feeding them. This is more complex but can be very efficient for large-scale farms. Harvest and use. When the cows grow up, you can harvest them for beef and leather. Right-click or left trigger on an adult cow with an empty hand to collect the drops. Maintain lighting. Make sure the enclosure is well lit to prevent hostile mobs from spawning and harming your cows. Expand your farm. As your cow population grows, you can expand your farm by adding more enclosures or using breeding to increase your herd size. Remember to be humane to your cows and ensure they have enough space, food, and water for a healthy and productive farm. Enjoy your Minecraft cow farm.